Just want to share with you another spring flowering tree that we have here at the Botanic Gardens. And behind me, this is known as a Jacktree. Now, this is not one that you're probably going to find on the market or even in most people's home landscapes. It is actually from it's native to a small area in China. And because of the native habitats being threatened, it's kind of hard to even find there. And so, but fortunately, it has been preserved, and you can still find it at a lot of different arboretums around the world and botanical gardens, just like the one here at the Botanic Garden at OSU. And in fact, we're lucky enough not just to have one, but we also have another one here behind our chicken coop as well. So the thing about this Jack tree is it is a spring blooming, and you can just see the pendulous flowers. They're like white star-shaped flowers that are hanging down, and it's just prolific with them. So it gives you quite a show. Now it does like more of an acidic soil that is somewhat moist, so this does hold a little bit of water, but once it's established, it's actually pretty drought tolerant. So we don't do any supplemental irrigation over here on these trees. The other thing you can see is it really does handle our full sun here in Oklahoma, so it works well for us here. So once these flowers quit producing, then they actually form sort of a woody egg-shaped drupe. So you'll see those kind of fruits hanging all over this a little bit later. And now I didn't read anything about it necessarily being a pollinator plant, but I will say being out here, I'm kind of being dive bombed by the bees a little bit. So I think they are enjoying this plant. Just wanted to share this plant with you because it's one that you probably won't see in most home landscapes or even at the nursery, but one you can appreciate if you come here to the Botanic Garden at OSU.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.